That right there, ladies and gentlemen, was the CarLock GPS live tracker alert system. What is going on, boys and girls, and welcome back to another video. If you guys are rocking with the content, hit the thumbs up and the subscribe for you boys. Remember, boys, if you guys want to support the channel, the membership is available. You can support the channel and help your boy grow the channel. So what is going on today? We're not going to be doing any automotive news today. We're going to be talking about CarLock GPS system. I've done tons of videos on this. I mean, I've done one video on this, but I've done tons of publications throughout the old interweb. I've gotten a bunch of people to sign up on it to get the GPS system, to get CarLock on their car. Adrian and Andrew with the Midori EK Civic hatch. I've been rocking with CarLock for over 5 years now, and we're going to talk a little bit about it. So what is CarLock Live Tracker? It's the advanced real-time tracker alert system. Well, what are you going to get when you buy this? Well, you're going to get this brick, which is this OBD2 port. It's actually connected on mine, and this is going to give you work and sleep worry-free without worry. Monitor your teenager, virtual mechanic, and like GPS on steroids. So it's an advanced real-time tracker alert system. It easily tracks your car in real time, and it notifies you immediately of suspicious behavior. Now, I'm going to tell you my experience with CarLock for over 5 years and what are the benefits of having CarLock. If you're an automotive enthusiast like me and you drive a very expensive car, whether it's a Corvette, whether it's a Mustang, whether it's a Civic, spooned out or mugged out, whatever you might want to call it, CarLock, you need it. It is that safety and it is that worry-free security that's going to give you that peace of mind when you go to sleep at night or where you park your car somewhere where you might worried about it. So let's get into it. All right, so I've been with CarLock for over 5 years. Basically, what you do is you plug in the OBD2 port, which is that black brick there that you're going to get. You're going to plug it into your OBD2 port. Now, you're going to have an app. You're going to sign up, and every detailed and every information is in the description below. If you actually want to grab one yourself, you can do so, because honestly, I've been with this company for over 5 years. They've been sponsoring the channel for over 5 years, and I couldn't think of any other company or anywhere else I would want to go. So you're going to get an app. You're going to sign up the app. You're going to log in the vehicle, and you're going to do every setup that the app tells you. Right away, when you come to the home screen, you're going to get a GPS right away that shows you exactly where you park. Now, to arm it and disarm it is that green button in the bottom that when you tap it, it is armed. Now, what happens when they open a door, when they turn on the vehicle, when they move the vehicle? You're going to get the alarm that you saw at the beginning of the video. Is a very obnoxious alarm vibration that's going to tell you when the vehicle's been moved, when the vehicle's had the door opens, when the vibration has kicked in of anybody tampering with the vehicle. That's going to kick in, and it's going to give you that alarm. Now, for the questions that people have, well, if it's an OBD2 port and people see your videos, if they're going to steal it, the first thing they're going to do is go to the OBD2 port. Well, you're going to get an alarm for that too. You're going to get that obnoxious alarm that you heard. You're going to get the vibration that the system has been disconnected. But also, CarLock gives you this for a little bit of extra security, and they offer tons of other accessories. Let me show you. You're going to get this extended cable. I don't use it on mine because I used to use it on the RSX. For the Infinity, I'm not using it. You're going to get this extended cable that pretty much plugs into your OBD2, and then you could tuck it up on your dash. This new sensor right here that got sent to me, you could pretty much put it anywhere. You could put it in your trunk. You could put it in your door. You could put it in your door card. You could put it in the pocket. You could pretty much put it anywhere. Now, when you connect this sensor, what happens is anything the car gets touched, or anybody that touches the car, the vibration feels it right away. If you throw a tennis ball at the glass of the vehicle, it's going to get you a vibration notification right here on the phone. If you throw a tennis shoes, if you throw a basketball, if you throw a beach ball that's barely weightless, you're going to get a vibration on your phone. That's how sensitive that is. And this is a very easy setup. All you got to do is unscrew the cap. You're going to have a barcode in the back, and you're going to scan that barcode. I'm not going to show you my barcode, but you scan that barcode and you connect it right away. Now, the app is very functional. The app gives you a bunch of information. Let's dive into the app. When you don't remove the notifications, in this case, you see it there. It says critical engine started vibration detected. 53 minutes ago, this is the vibration you get. So let's go to the app. So right away, when you're in the app, you see the GPS system. If we go here, we see the metrics. So I've driven 65 miles, 2 hours and 34 minutes, for trips. The average speed is about 25 miles per hour and the top speed is 66. I have a driving score of 100. Now, this is also for your teenager who's starting to drive. If you move to the right, you see that the driving score is 100. Pretty much gives you the metric. Also, the speed. And then this is where it sees the battery, 13.9 in this case. I have a great GPS signal. It tells you everything that you need. Now, when you have a teenager, and let's jump into that. When you have a teenager, it will show you how hard they're braking, how hard they're driving, how harsh they're driving, when they're taking turns too fast. You could actually set a mile per hour that you're gonna get a vibration so you can monitor your teenagers. Boys and girls, the theft in America has skyrocketed. Since 2025, it's actually gone down a little bit, but it's definitely been super high. In 2024, there was a vehicle stolen every 37 seconds, which is insane. You're gonna get the peace of mind with this one. You're gonna get the CarLock. You're gonna be able to put it on your OBD2 port. Like I said, some of the questions asked is, well, they'll just disconnect it and you're not gonna get the alarm. Well, you are. Well, if they disconnect it, you're gonna get that very obnoxious alarm and it's gonna tell you that the system is disconnected. And right away, wherever you are, you know what's going on. You could get the extender OBD2 cable, which I have it here. I have a new project coming up, so this will be going in that project. You plug it into your OBD2 and you pretty much tuck it in your dash and hide it away. You also get the sensor that tells you any sort of vibration. So even somebody just touching the door handle, it's going off right away. I've been rocking with CarLock for over 5 years. Percy, Sash, the YouTuber, also uses it. Adrian uses it on the S2000. I got him on it the other day. He did it, he got it in, and he tells me, man, it's that peace of mind that I haven't had, I haven't had in a minute on his S2000. Andrew with the EK Midori also has it, and he loves it. Now, there's a bunch of other features that you could discover for yourself. I left every information in the description below. There's an Amazon link to the CarLock that you could get it. And you could just pretty much get all the sensors and anything you need from CarLock. They have a great customer service. They answer right away. And I've been rocking with them for over 5 years. And to be honest, if this sponsorship deal would ever end, I will continue to be with CarLock because it is that worry-free peace of mind that I get from them. Boys and girls, if you guys are enjoying the content, make sure you tune in, you subscribe to the channel and support your boy. And if you want to become a member and you want to support this channel on his journey on building cars and doing automotive news and everything that has to do with automotive content, make sure you hit that join button. And I believe it's like $2 a month. It goes a long way. I'll see you guys on the next one.